Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So draw a line and then draw the semicircular shapes. Make the ears of the puppy. Now make its tail on the back. Now make its eyes like this. Now after that, make the patterns on the head using a brown marker or a pen like this. And your kitty is ready. I hope you liked it. Draw the W-like letter and then draw the W on the sides as well. Now make a bone on the mouth of the dog. So make the face of the dog like this. Draw its ears, eyes. Now we'll be completing its legs and the body part. Now draw the shape like this and join it. And make a tail on the back and it's ready. Next, we'll be drawing a pattern like this on a white sheet. Now make the back of it. Now we'll be making the wings on the back of it. So here we are making a unicorn. Now we'll be making a unicorn in the front of its head. Now make its eyes. Complete the body of it. Make its hands. Color it. And it's ready. Next, draw a circle and then we'll be writing the letter or digit 2 like this. Now write 3 as well. So here we are making a monkey. Now make its ears, eyes, nose and mouth. Now join the letters to make a body of the monkey. Make its legs and hands. Draw its tail on the back and it's done. So first draw 2 small circles, write the letter V and then complete it to make a heart-like shape. Now make its face, draw the ears. Now we'll be drawing the circle on the sides. Now make its eyes, nose and mouth. Now after that, we'll be completing the ears, legs like this, color it and it's done. Next, make the spiral lines on the back. Now make the body like this. Now make the shape as shown in the video. Now we'll be drawing these circular shapes like this. Now after that, make the eyes. Now after joining it, we'll be making the patterns on the back of it as shown here. Fix it and then color it and it's done. Next, write the letter B and then out of it we'll be making a dinosaur. Make its eyes, teeth like this, color it and it's done. Next, with the letter N, we'll be making another dinosaur like this. Make its ears, eyes and done. Next, we'll be writing the letter like this and then we'll be making a dinosaur with it. Draw the lines like this. Now with the letter D, we'll be making another dinosaur. Now draw 4 circular or circles like this and then make the ears, eyes, nose, hands and legs of it to make a pattern and the cute craft out of it and it's done. Next, draw a line inside it like this. So here we are making a ladybird. Make its eyes. Now make the patterns on its body like this. You can make the legs on the sides of it. Make the black dots to make the patterns over its body and your ladybird is done. Now on the yellow one, we'll be drawing a black color line like this. So here we are making a honeybee. Make a sting on the back. Make its eyes. Make the wings on the sides of it like this and your honeybee is ready. Color it with the blue color and it's done. Next, draw the ears of it, draw its legs, make its eyes like this and then we'll be making its hands and you can color it if you want. Make a tail on the back and your cute kitty is ready. I hope you liked it. You can make some patterns on its body like this and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.